Today we will be replacing the air filter on an XMAX 125, which is a 2007 model. So the process is very simple. There are 5 Phillips screws located here on the back side of the bike. All we need to do is just remove these screws. This cover will pop right out and there will be the filter inside of it. So let's go ahead and start by removing the screws. So now the cover is removed. You can see the old air filter. It is pretty dirty, so we'll be replacing that. We have the new filter over here. It's a high flow. The model is HFA4104. So the filter just pops right out. Make sure to give it a good clean on the inside. Make sure that there's no dirt. You can pop the new filter just like that. You can put the cover back on. And that's all. As you can see, this is a very easy job which can be done by anyone. It should take you less than 5 minutes to do this job. So I recommend anyone to do this by themselves. And that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video if this has helped you.